Want to show us a bit about your hybrid?
Yes, it's pretty unique to us. So it's a much smaller heat pump, doesn't take up much outdoor garden space. It's a standard combination boiler, so it's a gas combination boiler. This boiler is slightly modified. It's got a different control board, so it knows the heat pump exists. But the really clever bit about this is using our SmartTech controller, we input the customer's gas and electricity prices.
You can do that. They do that online with an online portal.
They've got a mobile phone app, they've got a desktop app they can log into on their laptop as well, and it will always use their current energy prices to decide whether it's cheaper to run the gas boiler for your heating or use the heat pump.